Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to back up your iPhone. So first you go to settings, and then you tap on your profile. So tap on your name on the very top where there is your photo. So tap there, and then you tap on iCloud, and then there it says iCloud backup. So tap there, and then if you turn it on, it will automatically back up your apps and data to iCloud when the iPhone is connected to power, locked, and on Wi-Fi. So now you just have to tap back up now, and then it will start backing up, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.